Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by shutting down the monitor and the connected computer fully. Turn off power strips and unplug the monitor's power cable from the wall. Leave the system off for 1 minute to discharge residual power safely. Ground yourself by touching the metal case for 3 seconds before handling connectors. Inspect the DisplayPort connector for a release latch on top or side. Plan your pulling line so the cable exits straight without bending at the port. Clear the desk area to give yourself at least 30 centimeters. Locate the DisplayPort plug behind the monitor or graphics card connector. If there is a locking latch, press it until it clicks. Place one hand on the monitor body to stabilize it while you work. Grip the cable connector close to the plug, about 2 cm from the port. Pull the connector straight out with a steady motion. Do not twist or yank. If the plug resists, wiggle it gently side to side while maintaining straight pull. Check the port and pins to confirm no damage or debris. After removal, route the cable gently to avoid kinks. Coil the cable in loose loops about 10 cm diameter for storage. Label both ends when keeping multiple cables to identify devices quickly later. Reconnect the monitor power and boot the system to test the display signal. If there is no image, recheck seating and inspect for bent pins or debris. For a stuck connector, use a flat tool to press the latch. Contact manufacturer support if the port or cable shows visible damage after removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.